Unraveling the Mystery of Safe Note. Hello dear viewers. Today, we are diving deep into an interesting English phrase, safe note. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and know how to use it confidently. Let's get started. Safe typically refers to something that is protected from harm or danger. It can be an adjective describing a state of being free from danger or risk. Note can refer to a brief record of facts, topics, or thoughts, often jotted down as a reminder. So, when combined, what do you think safe note might imply? The term safe note isn't a commonly used idiom or phrase in everyday English. It might be used in specific contexts or industries, or simply put together by combining the two words' individual meanings. For example, in a musical context, a safe note could mean a note that's always acceptable to play within a certain scale or chord. In another context, it might refer to a note, a piece of information or a reminder, that is kept safe or is about safety. It's important to understand the context in which the term is used to grasp its exact meaning. Let's see how safe note can fit into different sentences. 1. She always keeps a safe note in her wallet, which contains emergency contact numbers. 2. In this jazz improvisation, the C note is your safe note. You can always return to it. Understanding its usage in various sentences will help you recognize and use the term effectively. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the phrase, safe note. While it's not a common idiom, it's a combination of two words that can be understood by considering the context. Remember, language is dynamic, and understanding context is key. We hope this video was enlightening, and we encourage you to keep exploring the fascinating world of the English language.